Okay, so hi students. So welcome to all, and in this video we are going to solve the problems of the model question papers. Okay, so as you all were wishing that so many of you were telling that sir, please solve the model question papers, my dear students. Now today I am here with your model question papers solutions, and in this session we are going to solve part A, part B and part C of one of the previous year question paper, and the remaining parts, part D and part E, we can continue them in the second part because the video length will be very big. So that's why part A, part B, part C I am going to solve in this session, and the remaining questions we can solve it in the next video, that is part 2. Okay, suppose if we are with some adjustment of the times, if the time is getting very late, we can continue the some questions which we remain in this session in the next session. Okay, so good evening to everyone, and welcome to the session of solving model question papers of the year 2021. And quickly subscribe my channel, like this video. If you are watching it for the first time, you subscribe it. If you like the channel, you just like the button, click the like button. Okay, so now we can start our class by solving the question paper of June 2019. So this is the question paper which was asked for the June 2019, and it is altered according to the reduced syllabus. It has been altered according to the reduced syllabus. So that means there will be some changes in the part D and there will be some changes in the part E, which is your actually a favorite part to score more marks, but there that problems I will take in the next class. But here I am going to solve part A, part B and part C. Okay, so let us begin with the solution of part A. So as you all know, in part A there will be 10 questions. Each question carries 1 mark, and all the questions are compulsory questions that you have to answer for each and every question. Okay, so now we can begin with our problem number 1. You can just say the first problem is what they are asking. They are asking, give an example of a relation which is transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric. Neither reflexive nor symmetric. So my dear students, here first you have to write the set. So I will take set of 1, 2, 3. Most of the students what do mistake here means you are not going to write the set. You will directly write the relation. Okay, so don't write the relation directly. First you have to write the set, then you have to write the relation. Please keep it in mind. Okay, because examiners will be very keen to observe all these things. If you write set A, then you write the relation, then the answer will be correct. Don't write directly R equal to. Okay, so now you just see R equal to set of 1, 2, 2, 3, and you can just say 1, 2, 2, 3, and I will write 3, 1, 3. I will write 1, 3 because it should be transitive. So that's why I will take 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3 and 1, 3. Okay students, so if you write this much you will get 1 mark. So you can just verify the answers. It is not symmetric because 1, 2 is present, 2, 1 is not present. It is not reflexive. Why? Because order pair A, A is not present, but it is transitive. So you can verify it and you can get the answer, no problem. So here the answer will be 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3. Okay, which is transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric. Okay, So quickly give the thumbs if you are following the video, so that I feel all of you are understanding the problems. So the second one is find the principal value of cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3. So here we have to solve cot inverse of minus 1 by 3. So that we all know the formula, that is pi minus cot inverse of 1 by root 3. Okay. So we also know cot inverse of 1 by root 3 is pi by 3. So therefore it is going to be pi minus pi by 3. So your answer will be 2 pi by 3. So this is the solution for your second question. Very simple. You have to find the principal value, cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3. So you can just see pi minus cot inverse of 1 by root 3. Cot inverse of 1 by root 3 is pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. Okay. Quickly we can go for the third problem. You see what is the third problem? The third problem is you have to construct the matrix of 2 cross 2. In the third problem, what they have asked, see here, if A equal to Aij, where the elements are given by Aij equal to 1 by 2 into mod of minus 3i plus j. Construct 2 cross 2 matrix. So first let us write 2 cross 2 matrix. That will be A11, A12, A21, A22. So this will be your 2 cross 2 matrix, that is 2 rows and 2 columns. Now this will be equal to, you can find A11. What will be A11? 1 by 2 into mod of minus 3 into 1 plus 1. So you simplify this, minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2. Mod of minus 2 will be plus 2. 2 will get cancelled. You will get 1. Okay. Next you can go for A comma 1 2, that is A12. That will be 1 by 2 times of mod of minus 3 into 1 plus 2. So you can simplify it. That will be 1 by 2, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Mod of minus 1 is plus 1. So here your answer will be 1 by 2. So I think the video is also clear and my voice is also clear. Okay. If you have any difficulties, you have to tell about voice and video. So 1 by 2 into, you can just check 2 1. So that will be minus 3 into 2 plus 1. Therefore 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Mod of minus 5 is plus 5. So your answer will be 5 by 2. And you can check A22. So that will be 1 by 2 into mod of minus 3 into 2 plus 2. So this will be 1 by 2 into minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Mod of minus 4 is plus 4. So that will be 2. Okay. Now you can write here. You just see what is A11. You got 1. What is A12? You got 1 by 2. What is A21? You got 5 by 2. What is A22? You got 2. Okay. So this is your required answer. So my dear students, with me, you also try to solve the questions if you know how to solve. If you don't know how to solve, you just go on watching the video. If you know how to solve it, you just go on solving. That you can get verification with my solution. If I go wrong, you may tell, or if you have done wrong, you can check it with my answer. Okay. So that's why I am telling you also has to solve with me. If you know to solve. If you don't know to solve, no problem. You just watch the video, understand the logics, and you can do it in your exams. Okay. So now we have completed our third problem. We can go to the fourth one. You can just see the fourth problem is find the value of x for which 3x x1 is equal to 3 2 4 1. So you have determinants here. We have to solve the determinants. That will be 3 minus x square equal to 3 minus 8. So 3 will get cancelled, x square will be 8 and x will be equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. X will be equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. Very simple problem that you can easily solve it. And don't worry, solve as much as question papers. Solve as many as question papers. That means you will get the strength. You will get the strength, and you will not get fear about the exam. Only to throw away the fear of the exam is you have to solve number of question papers. Solve as much as possible. How much question papers you are going to solve, that much strength you are going to get mentally. Okay, so that's why what I say, please solve as many as question papers possible. Clear? Okay, now we can go for the fifth problem. So you see the fifth problem, that is y equal to cos inverse of e raised to x. We have to find dy by dx. So here you can see cos inverse differentiation formula, all of you must know. Okay, so now dy by dx equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus e raised to x whole square into d by dx of e raised to x. So here chain rule as well as differentiation of cos inverse x, both the formulas you must know. So the differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. In the place of x you have e raised to x, no problem. Apply the chain rule and simplify. Minus 1 by root of 1 minus e to the power of x whole square into differentiation of e to the power of x. So that will be dy by dx equal to minus e to the power of x divided by root of 1 minus e to the power of 2x. Okay, so this is your answer. Clear? Very good. So I think all of you have understood this. No problem. We can go to the next question. We can go to the next question. Okay, so now we have to solve our problem number 6. Now we have to solve our problem number 6. Clear? So you just see the problem number 6, that is if, okay, what is given? We have to solve integration of secant square 7 minus 4x with respect to dx. So my dear students, everyone knows that differentiation of secant squared is tan x, but here you just see it is in the form of integration of secant square ax plus b with respect to dx. Here answer is going to be tan of ax plus b divided by a plus c. Okay, because here it is in the form of ax plus b. So that's why the answer will be tan of 7 minus 4x divided by minus 4 plus c. You have to take care of the formulas. You have to take the care of formulas, because here you have ax plus b form. It is in the form of ax plus b. So you just remember the ax plus b formula. Secant square ax plus b means tan of ax plus b divided by a. Don't forget this. Okay, now we can go for the seventh one. What is the seventh one? If a cap, what is given? A cap equal to 1 by root 14 into 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Then write the directions of, then write the direction cosines of a cap. Then write the direction cosines of a cap. No problem. We know that a cap will be in the form of li cap plus mj cap plus nk cap. Okay, this is the standard form of unit vector. L, m, n are direction cosines. So here directly you can write L is equal to 2 by root 14, M is equal to 3 by root 14, and N is equal to 1 by root 14. Because they have given the unit vector will be in the form of Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap, where L, M, N are the direction cosines. So directly you can write the direction cosines as L equal to 2 by root 14, M equal to 3 by root 14, and N equal to 1 by root 14. Therefore, these are your direction cosines. Okay. These are your directions, cosines. Clear? Of a cap. Very good. So I think you all have understood this. No problem. Let us go for the 8th problem. To just see what is the 8th problem. The 8th problem is find the intercepts cut off by the plane 2x plus y minus z equal to 5. So here you have to write it in the intercept form. What is intercept form of the plane? X by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So therefore now you can write it as 2x by 5 plus y by 5 minus z by 5 equal to 1, because 5 by 5 is 1. Now you convert it to x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Convert this. It will be what? X divided by 5 by 2 plus y divided by 5 plus z divided by minus 5 equal to 1. Okay. So this is now your intercept form. They are asking find the intercepts. Now the intercepts are, see, now the intercepts are x intercept is 5 by 2, y intercept is 5 and z intercept is minus 5. Okay, so these are your intercepts, because they have given the equation of plane that has to be converted in the form of intercept form of the plane. So by solving the intercept of form of the plane, you will get the intercepts. So a will be x intercept, b will be y intercept, z will be x intercept. So sorry, x intercept will be 5 by 2, y intercept will be 5, z intercept will be minus 5. Okay, first we have to convert that to x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. After converting to that form, a, b, c will be the x intercept, y intercept and z intercept. Okay, so now quickly we can move for the 9th problem. So here about 9th problem, you have to write the definition. Okay, so don't miss the definition. You have to write it neatly. Don't miss the definition. You have to write it neatly. That is define the feasible region. Define the feasible region. Okay, so the feasible region definition is, all of you know, that is the common region determined by all the constraints of the linear programming problem. Okay, so what is your feasible region? The common region determined by all the constraints of the linear programming problem is called feasible region. Okay, so this is your feasible region definition. The common region determined by all the constraints of linear programming problem is called feasible region. Clear? Okay, now quickly we can move for the 10th problem. That is, you can just see P of A is 3 by 5, P of B is 1 by 5, and now we have to solve P of A intersection B, and it is given that A and B are independent events. That means the formula of P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B. That will be equal to 3 by 5 multiplied with 1 by 5. So that will be equal to 3 by 25. So now successfully we have completed our part A. successfully we have completed our part A. If you have doubts, quickly ask it. If you don't have doubts, you can just give the thumbs, smiles, so that we can go for the next part B. Okay. So I think we have completed it in 15 minutes. So no problem. We have completed it in 15 minutes. Quickly we can go for part B. So quickly give me thumbs, smiles, anything if you are following, if you are understanding, if you are happy with solving the question papers. Okay. So quickly we can move for part B. Are you getting my point? Okay. So all of you be active. Don't be dumb. All of you be active. Okay. Be energetic. Don't lose energy. Be energetic. If you are if you are full of energetic, I can also have some interest. Clear? Okay. So now you see part B. Now you see part B, question number 11. That is, define binary operation on a set. Verify whether the operation star defined on the Q set of rational numbers by A star B equal to AB plus 1 for every A comma B belongs to Q is binary or not. So that means here we have to define the binary set. Next we have to verify the star defined on Q as A star B equal to AB plus 1 is binary or not. Okay. So first we shall write a binary operation definition. A binary operation star, a binary operation star on the set A is a function given by star from A cross A to A. So this is the definition of binary operation. So this is the definition of binary operation. That is, binary operation star on the set A is a function given by star from A cross A to A. Clear? So now we have to go for solving. A star B, the given operation A star B equal to AB plus 1 is binary or not. So for that you just see here, for all A comma B belongs to Q, we get, for all A comma B belongs to Q, we get A star B equal to AB plus 1. Here AB plus 1 also belongs to Q. Therefore it is a binary operation. Clear? Because you have to understand here, A and B are rationals. If we multiply two rationals, then again it is going to be a rational. So that's why no problem. A star B equal to AB plus 1. Therefore AB plus 1 belongs to again a rational number. Therefore it is a binary operation. Please remember, binary operation tells that if we take two elements from one set and we do the binary operation, then after the binary operation the output also must be in the given set. So that is called binary operation. Okay. So now we can go for problem number 12. See problem number 12 solution. What we have to find the value of cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus 2 times of sin inverse of 1 by 2. Okay. So we all know that cos inverse of 1 by 2 is how much? Pi by 3, that is 60 degree, plus 2 times of sin inverse of 1 by 2 is how much? Sin inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 6, that is 30 degree. So therefore if we simplify this, pi by 3 plus pi by 3 you are going to get, so that is equal to 2 pi by 3. Therefore 2 pi by 3 is your answer. Therefore 2 pi by 3 is your answer. Quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this? Very simple problem. Cos inverse of 1 by 2, that is nothing but pi by 3. Sin inverse of 1 by 2, that is nothing but 30 degree, that is pi by 6. So pi by 3 plus 2 times of pi by 6 is nothing but pi by 3. Pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. Very simple answer. Okay, very good. Now we can go for the 13th problem. We can go for the 13th problem, that is find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are. Okay, so let us find the area of triangle of 3 vertices, 3 comma 8, minus 4 comma 2, 5 comma 1. So area of triangle is equal to determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Okay, so now let us simplify it. This will be equal to determinant of x1 is 3, y1 is 8 1, x2 is minus 4, y2 is 2 and this is 1, x3 is 5, y3 is 1 and this is 1. Okay, so now we have to simplify it. That will be 3 times of 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 into 1 is 1. So many times I tell, as soon as you complete this, write the minus sign. What you have here, 8 times of minus 4 into 1, so that is minus 4 into 1 is minus 4, write minus sign. 5 into 1 is 5, plus 1 into minus 4 into 1 is minus 4, 5 into 2 is 10, therefore 3 into 1 is 3, minus 9 8, 7 into, okay, 9 in, you calculate 9 into 8, 72, so minus into minus plus 72. Next here minus 14, minus 4 minus 10, you are going to get minus 14. Your answer will be 75 minus 14, so that is 1, here it is 6, 61 by 2 square units. Quickly tell me how many of you have understood this. Quickly tell me how many of you have understood this very simple problem. You have to find the area of triangle by using the 3 vertices, 3 comma 8, minus 4 comma 2, 5 comma 1. So by using the formula of determinants, you can solve it. That will be 61 by 2. So 61 by 2 square units is the correct answer. Quickly, thumbs, smiles, and you can show positiveness if you are following the problem. If you are following the problem, give me positive sense. Very good. Now we can go for the 14th problem. Now we can go for the 14th problem. What is that? Find dy by dx. Favorite chapter of everyone. We have to find the derivatives of x square plus xy plus y square equal to 100. Implicit function. This is implicit function. So no problem. We can find the derivatives of this. That is 2x plus x into dy by dx plus y plus 2y into dy by dx equal to 0. Here you must know implicit function derivatives. Okay. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of xy is x into dy by dx plus y, because differentiation of x is 1. Whenever you are differentiating x into y, product rule you have to apply. Don't worry about product rule. Solve it shortcut form. So y square is 2y into dy by dx. So therefore 2x plus y, take dy by dx common, that will be x plus 2y into dy by dx. So now quickly you can write it as x plus 2y into dy by dx will be equal to minus of 2x plus y, and dy by dx will be equal to minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. Okay, so I think everyone can understand this. Very simple problem. Very simple problem. Everyone can understand this. So all of you quickly give me the smiles, so that I can understand all of you are happy, all of you are following the problems, all of you are understanding the problems, so that we can go for the next question. Okay, very good. I will go for the 15th problem. Why? Because by looking at your smiles, I feel happy. because if your smiles give me a strength to solve the problem. So that's why I say give me smiles, give me thumbs, because understanding is very, very important. Okay. So now y is equal to log x to the power of cos x. Log x to the power of cos x. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. This will be log y, log of log x to the power of cos x. So that will be log y equal to cos x into log of log x. Okay. Now differentiation on both sides, that will be 1 by y into dy by dx will be equal to, see here, this is u, this is v. Product rule you have to apply. So write cos x as it is, differentiation of log x, that will be 1 by log x into differentiation of log x will be 1 by x plus, now I will write log of log x as it is, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Okay. So now you can just see dy by dx will be equal to y multiplied with minus sin x into log of log x, minus sin x into log of log x plus, you can write it as cos x divided by x log x. Okay. So now write y. What is y? dy by dx equal to y is log x to the power of cos x minus sin x log of log x plus cos x divided by x into log x. This is your answer. So what is about all of you? Are you following this? Are you following the class? Are you understanding the problems? Are you understanding the problems? Quickly tell me. Y equal to log x to the power of cos x. Okay, apply log on both sides. On the LHS you will have u into v form, that is product rule. Don't write d by dx, d by dx, d by dx at every step. Simply it is very headache. Okay, use your quick methods. Use your quick methods. Already you know what is product rule, so directly apply the product rule. Don't sit writing d by dx, d by dx, d by dx. Okay, quickly solve it. So the answer will be also small. You will also not get tension. Clear? So dy by dx equal to log x to the power of cos x minus sin x log of log x plus cos x divided by x log x. So this is your answer. Clear? Okay. So now let us go for the 16th problem. Now let us go for the 16th problem. So what is the 16th problem? You just see, differentiate sin square x with respect to e raised to cos x. No problem. Very beautiful. You can take it as u, you can take it as v. What they are asking? Differentiation of sin square with respect to e to the power of cos x. That is nothing but du by dv. Differentiation of u with respect to v they are asking. No problem. Let us simplify it. What is du by dx? Apply chain rule. 2 sin x d by dx of sin x. What is d by dx of sin x? That is cos x. Du by dx will be equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Next, what is dv by dx? E to the power of cos x into e by dx of cos x. Okay. So dv by dx will be equal to, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x into e to the power of cos x. So therefore du by dv will be equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. So that will be 2 sin x into cos x divided by minus sin x into e to the power of cos x. Sin x cancels and your answer is minus 2 cos x divided by e to the power of cos x. Okay. So this is your answer for problem number 16. For problem number 16. So I think all of you are understanding the problems. I think all of you are understanding the problems. If you are not understanding, your preparation is not good. Okay. If your preparation is really good, then it is really wonderful. Okay, so here following the class is very important. If you have doubts, please pause me, ask the doubts so that we can clarify it. If you have no doubts, if you are following the class, if you are understanding, quickly give the thumbs, smiles, the positive sense. Okay, so that we can go for the next problem number 17. So see problem number 17. Find the interval in which the function f given by f of x equal to 2x square minus 3x is strictly increasing. That means we have to solve the problem of application of derivatives. They have given f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x is strictly increasing. We have to solve strictly increasing. No problem. You must know the meaning of strictly increasing. What is the meaning of strictly increasing? Dy by dx must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So differentiate it. This will be f dash of x, that is nothing but dy by dx equal to 4x minus 3. Equate this term to 0. If you equate this to 0, you will get x equal to 3 by 4. So draw this by wavy curve method. This is 3 by 4. Draw the curve using wavy curve method. Here it is plus, here it is negative. So therefore dy by dx is greater than or equal to 0. In this, dy by dx is lesser than or equal to 0 in this. That means from negative infinity to 3 by 4, strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing. Okay. From 3 by 4 to infinity, strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. Clear? So quickly tell me, have you understood this 17th one? If you have understood the 17th one, I will go for the 18th one. Okay. So now the 18th problem is evaluate integration of x raised to 4 minus x whole to the power of 1 by 4 divided by x raised to 5 divided by x raised to 5. Okay. See here, take x raised to common. That means x raised to 4 take out of the bracket. Take x raised to 4 out of the bracket and throw it outside. While throwing outside, please concentrate on the head. It has 1 by 4. On the head of the bracket, it has 1 by 4. While throwing x to the power of 4 outside the bracket, you have to solve that powers. So here, when you solve the powers, what happens? X to the power of 4 will get cancelled and you will remain with x. Remaining will be what? 1 minus 1 by x to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 4 divided by x raised to 5. Okay. So Sanjeev, don't worry, we have written both, no problem. We can write both also. There is no rule that what they have asked that we have to write, no problem. With that extra information is no very good. Okay. So x you can get cancelled. It will remain with integration of integration of 1 minus, see this, integration of 1 minus 1 by x cube whole to the power of 1 by 4, and you will remain with x raised to 4 because x will get cancelled. Now put 1 minus 1 by x cube as t. Put 1 minus 1 by x cube as t. You differentiate this. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of 1 by x cube is what? Minus 3 divided by x raised to 4 equal to dt by dx. Minus into minus will be plus. So dx divided by x to the power of 4 will be equal to dt divided by 3. It will be equal to dt divided by 3. So now dx divided by x to the power of 4. Dx divided by x to the power of 4 is dt divided by 3. You replace it. So that will be dt divided by 3 and the remaining term is what? 1 minus 1 by x cube whole to the power of 1 by 4, that is t. So that you have to write t. Okay, so that will be t to the power of, that will be t to the power of 1 by 4 with respect to dt. So now you can integrate it, no problem. So 1 by 3 into t to the power of 1 by 4 plus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 1, 1 by 3 into 4 divided by 5. Here t to the power of 5 by 4. So 4 by 15. What is t? T is how much? 1 minus 1 by x cube whole to the power of 5 by 4 plus c is your answer. You mention plus c. Okay. 4 by 15, 1 minus 1 by x cube whole to the power of 5 by 4 plus c will be the answer. Okay. So I think all of you are following it. So we can quickly go for the next problem if you give the permission. If you have understood it, please tell me yes. I will go for the next one. That is problem number 19. By parts. You have to use by parts. Okay. In the problem number 19, you have to use integration by parts. That is x into secant square x with respect to dx. That will be integration by parts. Highlight. Algebraic is first, trigonometry is next. Okay. So algebra is first function, trigonometry is second function. Now write x as it is. Integration of secant square x is tan x minus integration of the same tan x we have to repeat here, multiplied with differentiation of x is 1 with respect to dx. Okay. Now x into tan x, differentiation of tan x is what? Log of mod of sec x plus c. Okay. This is your answer. Some of you write it as x integration of secant squared x dx minus integration of secant squared x dx into d by dx of x. Some of you are going to write like this, no problem. You can solve it like this also. Answer will be x tan x minus integration of secant square x is tan x multiplied with differentiation of x is 1 with respect to dx. So answer will be x into tan x minus log of mod of sec x plus c. Okay. So who have gone through my previous videos of shortcuts? I have made one video on integration by parts. So if you have seen that, if you know the techniques of solving by parts, you can go through the first method. If you are not that much perfect with the by parts, you can go with the formula, and you can put here formula and you can simplify. On both sides you will get the same answer. On both sides you will get the same answer. Okay. Some of you will be very fast with your techniques. They can go with the first method. Some of you will be slow with your techniques. You can go with the second method. Clear? So who want which method, you can go through that. Okay. So now quickly, what about others? Who is this gamer? Please tell me the gamer name. If you tell me the name, I will explain you. Okay. So now 20th problem. What is the 20th problem? Find order and degree. Find order and degree of y double dash plus y square plus e to the power of 3 equal to 0. So now order will be 3 and degree will be 1. Clear? So question paper solving means, here I can't explain everything because I have to solve 50 questions. Here I can't explain each and every step. I will explain the steps that you have to understand. That means I will explain maximum what I can. But still if you are not understanding means you have to go through with your basics. You have to go through your previous videos. You have to understand the steps and the problems again and again, solve the problems more and more which you are not understanding, so then it will be very easy. Okay, so that's why here while solving the question paper I will be little bit fast. I am fast only at every problem, but here I will be little more fast because here we are solving the problems. We have to go for 50 questions. So that's why I will explain maximum what I has to explain. If you have any doubts, you can just ask me through the groups and by messaging. Okay. Now let us go for problem number 21. Let us go for problem number 21. Okay. See the problem number 21 quickly. If vector A is unit vector, we write mod of A equal to 1. Unit vector such that x minus vector A dot vector x plus vector A equal to 8. Find mod of vector x. No problem. Here you can just see, we can write it as mod of vector x square minus mod of vector A square equal to 8. Mod of vector x square minus 1 equal to 8 because A value is 1. Mod of vector x square equal to 9. Mod of vector x square equal to 3. Okay. So therefore x value is 3. They have asked mod of x value, no problem. The mod of vector x is 3. Very simple problem. Very simple problem. Clear? So now we can go for the next problem, that is problem number 22. Don't miss giving thumbs, smiles and show your some faces in the comment box, because I have to understand, are you following or not? I want to know all of you are present or not. That is very important. Problem number 22. Find the area of parallelogram when the adjacent sides are given. Please understand this. Here the adjacent sides are given. If the adjacent sides are given, area of parallelogram will be equal to mod of vector A cross vector B. If the diagonals are given, area of parallelogram will be equal to 1 by 2 into mod of vector D1 cross vector D2. Because be careful, sometimes they will give diagonals. That time you have to use this formula. Now they have given adjacent sides, no problem. So vector A cross vector B. Right, what is vector A? What is vector A? Vector A equal to 3i cap plus j cap plus 4k cap. What is vector B? I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So now we can go with area of parallelogram, that is A cross B, that is I cap, j cap, k cap. What is the second row? 3, 1, 4. What is the third row? 1, minus 1, plus 1. Now A cross B equal to I cap into 1 plus 4 minus j cap into 3 minus 4 plus k cap into minus 3 minus 1. Okay. So now 5i cap plus j cap minus 4k cap. So that will be mod of vector A cross vector B equal to, you can just see this is minus 1 plus 4, 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1, correct. Okay, square root of 25 plus 1 plus 16. So that will be equal to 25 plus 16 is 1. Here 4, 41 root 42. So your answer will be root 42. Clear? So you also check once. 3i cap plus j cap minus 4k cap. You have I cap minus j cap plus k cap. This is 1 minus 4. Minus of minus is plus. 3 minus 4, correct. Minus 3 minus 1. Very good. 5 minus 1. And next one is minus 3 minus 1. That is minus 4, 16. So root 42 we got. If you want to factorize it, you can factorize. No problem. So here 7 into 3. Not possible. You write root 42 square units. So please check this question you also. Once you also please go through it. Check once it is right or not. Sometimes Pawan sir also make mistakes. Pawan sir is not that much good at mathematics. He also makes mistakes. So find out his mistakes. Clear? Okay. So if I have done any mistakes, you have to correct it. Don't say simply yes. Clear? Very good. Now we have to go for problem number 23. Angle between the pair of lines. Very good. Pair of lines are x plus 3 divided by 3 equal to y minus 1 divided by 5 equal to z plus 3 divided by 4, x plus 1 divided by 1, y minus 4 divided by 1 equal to z minus 5 divided by 1. These are in the Cartesian form, so convert them to vector form. That will be, here you can see a1, this is b1, this is c1, a2, b2, c2. So from that you can also calculate vector a1 is minus 3 cap plus j cap minus 3 cap. Vector a2 is minus I cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. Okay, using 3 minus 3 cap, using 1 this is plus j cap, using minus 3 it is minus 3k cap, using minus 1 minus I cap, using 4 this is 4j cap, using 5 this is plus 5k cap. We got a1 and a2. On the same way we write vector b1. What is vector b1? 3I cap plus 5j cap plus 4k cap. What is vector b2? That is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. If you want to write vector b1, use 3, 5, 4. If you want to write vector b2, you have to write 1. Okay, here it is 2. Z minus 5 divided by 2. So that will be 2k cap. That will be 2k cap. Clear? So check once all the terms has to be correct. 2k cap. Very good. So that is minus 3 plus j minus 3 minus 1 plus 4 plus 5 3 5 4 1 1 2. Okay, all the terms are correct. Now we have to go for formula. Distance is equal to mod of vector a2 minus vector a1 dot vector b1 cross vector b2 divided by mod of b1 cross b2. So this is the formula for distance between two lines. This is the formula for distance between two lines. So you can just go through it. Okay. So that we can get the correct answer. Clear? No problem. We can solve it. So just go through it. Okay. First we shall find b1 cross b2. That is determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap. Second row is 3, 5, 4. Third row is 1, 1, 2. Now this will be equal to I cap into 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 minus j cap into 6 minus 4 plus k cap into 3 minus 5. Now this is 6I cap minus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Quickly you also have to verify it. Don't waste the time. Quickly you also have to verify it. So this is b1 cross b2. Okay. What is mod of b1 cross b2? Mod of b1 cross b2 will be equal to square root of 6 square is 36. 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4, so that is root 44. Okay. Now a2 minus a1. What is a2 minus a1? Just simplify. Minus I cap, minus of minus is plus. So you will get 2I cap. 4j cap minus j cap. You will get plus 3j cap. 5k cap minus of minus plus 8k cap. Okay. Minus 1 minus of minus is plus. So that will be 2I cap. 4 minus 1, 3. 5 minus of minus 3 plus 8. No problem. Now we have to solve it. Okay. Use here Using the formula d equal to a2 minus a1 is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 8k cap dot with b1 cross b2, that is 6i cap minus 2j cap minus 2k cap divided by, that is root 44. Okay, so now 2 into 6 is 12. I will go for the next one. D will be equal to mod of, you can just see 6 into 2 is 12. Very good. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6. 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. Minus 16 divided by root 44. So this is D equal to minus 22 2. Okay, therefore you are going to get 22 minus 12, that is 10, minus 10 divided by root 44, so that is 10 by root 44. That will be equal to, you can write it as 4 into 11, so that's why 10 divided by 2 root 11, so 5 divided by root 11 is the answer. Units, so you just check it. Okay, so they have asked find the angle between two lines. Very good. So we have found the distance between two lines. No problem. We have found the distance between two lines. They have asked the angle between two lines. This is one more question which we have solved on ourselves. No problem. We lost our time. Sometimes it happens. No problem. But the problem is right. You just take it as one more question for the same problem. Find the distance between. You just take it as find the distance between. Find the distance between two lines. Find the distance between two lines. No problem. Clear? Let us take it is one more question. Let us take this is one more question. You write extra. This is extra. Okay. So they have asked the angle. We have solved the distance between two lines. No problem. Let us take this as extra. So we have to happy with the mistakes also. No problem. The beautiful mistakes, the beautiful questions. Clear? Now coming back to the 23rd problem. Again, we have to solve angle between two lines. Actually, problem was very simple. No worries. We can go through all this thing. And again we can solve it. Very good. Manjunath found out that, sir, you are solving distance. They have asked angle. Very good. I appreciate you. You found my one mistake. Very good. Let it be. But that is also one extra question. You just keep it in your notes. Okay. Now let us go for finding the angle. What is the angle between two vectors formula we have to take? So that's why you just write x plus 3 divided by 5 equal to y minus 1 divided by 5, z plus 3 divided by 4. No problem. Sometimes mistakes also give one new problem. Okay. So x plus 3 divided by 3. X plus 3 divided by 3. X plus 3 divided by 3 equal to y minus 1 divided by 5 equal to z plus 3 divided by 4. And another one is x plus 1 divided by 1. Y minus 4 divided by 1, z minus 5 divided by 2. Very good. Let us go for angle. What is the formula between two vectors? Here first you write b1 vector 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 4k cap. Write vector b2, that is i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. So now the angle between two vectors is cos theta equal to vector b1 dot vector b2 divided by mod of vector b1 into mod of vector b2. No problem. So this is 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 4k cap. b2 is i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap divided by mod of b1 is square root of 3 square is 9, 25 plus 16. square root of 1 plus 1 plus 4. Okay. Now this is 3 I cap into I cap is 3, 5 j cap into j cap is 5, 4 k cap into k cap is 8. Divided by 25 plus 6, it is 41, 41 plus 9, root 50 into root 6. So therefore 11, 16 divided by root 50 into root 6. 16 divided by root 300. So this will be 16 divided by 10 root 3. That will be 8 divided by 5 root 3. So this is the answer. Okay. So that is 8 divided by 5 root 3. See how the simple was question and how much big we have solved. We have done one more extra problem. No worries. You take that also. You solve that also. Because giving torture is our habit. Already you have 24 questions in the part B. Now we made it 25. No problem. Okay. But if they ask angle between two lines, first you write B1 vector, B2 vector, solve cos theta. Okay. By solving cos theta, if they ask sin theta, please remember, if they ask sin theta, if they mention it in the problem, you use cross product. You use cross product formula. You use cross product formula. Okay. Usually, if they want to ask sin theta, they will mention in the problem. They will mention in the problem, find sin theta. So you use cross product formula. That is A cross B equal to mod A mod B sin theta n cap. So that will be sin theta equal to A cross B divided by mod of A into mod of B. Okay. So with that you can get the sine angle. With that you can get the sine angle. Clear? Very good. So for this, all of you give big smiles because we got one extra problem. We got one extra problem. All of you must give big smiles for this. This is 22. Okay. This is 22. This is 23. 23 extra. You take one extra, that is 23 extra. Clear? I think all of you got tired by watching the video. Then what about me? How much tired I must get? Please replies. There are no replies. Replies are important. Are you all of you very much tired or what? Without replies we can't continue. Okay. So very good. Let us go for the beautiful chapter, that is probability. Everyone's most beautiful chapter, that is probability. For me, probability is very wonderful chapter because we get the answer for unpredictable outcomes. Do you know? For example, you just say, I say, I have 10 rupees in my hand. I will give you this 10 rupees. Okay. So what is there big in that? 10 rupees you got. Very simple calculation. But if in the bag I tell you put your hand and you collect the coins as much as you want. See, if I take one bag, I have so many number of coins here. I tell you put your hand and take out the coins. And I will give another choice. I have 10 rupees in my hand. I will give it to you and you take it. Which one is good? This or this? First one or second one? Quickly tell me. I have so many rupees in this bag. I have so many rupees in this bag. Okay. So here I have 10 rupees in my hand. If I give it to you, this is first option. This is second option. Which option you are going to choose? Quickly tell me. Either you choose option 1 or you choose option 2. Just you have to put your hand and you have to take the coins. Which one is better? Give in the comment box. Give in the comment box. Give in the comment box quickly, all of you. Sanjeev is telling second one. Okay. So that's why say this is predicted. This is unpredicted. This is unpredicted. Okay. Unpredicted is always beautiful. Unaccepted is always beautiful. We are not going to accept that I am going to get 100 in mathematics, but accidentally I will get 100 in mathematics. That will be very much big happiness. Okay, that is like probability. That is the probability. Okay, everyone is, if you understand probability, it is very beautiful chapter. Let it be. Let us go for 24. Solution. 2 coins are tossed. Very good. Then what are the number of sample space? First you write it. HH, HT, TH, TT. Okay, these are the sample spaces. And next, what they are asking? 2 coins are tossed. Find probability of E such that F is given. Probability of E such that F is given. So now, what is E? First you understand. No tail appears. No tail appears. Very good. What is F? No head appears. Very good. What is formula? P of E intersection F divided by P of F. Okay. So now, what is probability of E? What is probability of F? And what is probability of E intersection F? Probability of E. See here. No tail appears means H comma H is the only possible case. So therefore, 1 by 4 is your answer. No tail appears means no head appears means only one possible case, that is T comma T. That is 1 by 4. Probability of E intersection F, that means intersection of, see here, no tail appears, intersection with set of no head appears. See, no tail appears means what? HH. No head appears means what? TT. If I make intersection of these two, this is empty. That is empty. That means here 0 by 4 will be equal to 0. So now 0 divided by 1 by 4 is what? 0. Therefore, your answer is 0. Clear? So that's why I say probability is very, very interesting if you understand the concepts. Only notice if you understand the concepts. For example, Airtel, Idea and so many Tata Sky, they all give so many big offers. In the smaller side at the corner they will write conditions are applied. So like that, in the probability also is very beautiful concept. In the corner condition is if you understand it. That is the beauty of probability. Very good. Shall we continue with the part C or we shall end this? How much time? Already 8:03. Already 8:03. So quickly tell me if you say in the next class. So tomorrow morning, actually tomorrow morning I also have some other plans to go for vaccination. No problem. Quickly tell me. Shall we continue? Probability of 1 by 4 cross 1 by 4 is nothing but independent events. Okay, independent events. They are not independent events. Clear? So quickly, because already this is more than 1 hour that I am eating all your heads. Already more than 1 hour is over. So no problem. It is best if I continue tomorrow. Okay, let us continue with part C and part D in the next class. Okay, so tomorrow I will share the link, and tomorrow I will make one timetable for you people, one for CET and another one is for model question paper solving. One for CET and another one for model question paper solving. And tomorrow this is fixed, 5 PM limits chapter CET. Both for 11th class and 12th class I am taking. So there you can attend it. If you are interested, because Most of the second year students are not interested now for the live classes. I don't know why they are not interested. So it is left to you. 11th and 12th class I am taking 5 p.m. limits CET class. So if you want, you can attend it. Otherwise, no problem. I will see after 11 p.m. for 11 a.m. After 11 a.m. I will put tomorrow's class. Okay. So for tomorrow, one day you all adjust with it because tomorrow I have some work. And after tomorrow, I will go for 10:30 a.m. every day. 10:30 a.m. every day. This is your model question paper. Model question paper class. Model question paper class. Okay. 5 p.m. is your CET class. So CET class is choice for you because all of you are very intelligent in CET. All of you have studied so much. So that's why. So this is fixed. Okay, this is choice. Clear? So let us meet tomorrow and let us continue it. Okay, part C and part D. We can continue part C and part D tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. See you. Good night. Be safe. Be at home. Use mask. Use sanitizer. Use whatever. Don't go with corona. Without corona, you do anything. Clear? Be safe and be at home. So night classes, 9 p.m. classes are cancelled. I also don't want to eat your heads. I also don't want to torture you. At 9 p.m. it will be very late. So that's why at 9 p.m. I cancelled that class because of all of you. At 9 p.m. also you will be not interested to attend the class. So that's why 9 p.m. class is already cancelled. I will take 10:30 a.m. from day after tomorrow and 5 p.m. regularly. Clear? Okay.